Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, just doing my makeup for the day. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush in the number 11. Now I got these brushes very recently, just before I went on holiday. I did an unboxing and I'm showing the brushes in another video that I'll upload when I get back to England. I've been using the Dip Brow Pomade for so many years now. I think my friend Leah introduced it to me because she just loves makeup and does makeup all the time. But it's so good because I literally just dip it in here and I go underneath. Look at that. See, it really goes under. I hope you guys can see it, by the way. But yeah, I just go underneath. I make a line on top as well. I made this really thick. But you see the difference already? Like, it just goes on so smoothly. These brushes are actually really soft. I'll just do the other eyebrow now. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to conceal just like underneath my eyebrows and on top of my eyebrows to make them look neater. A top tip, if you haven't had your eyebrows threaded, literally if you just conceal underneath and conceal above, no one will ever know. So I'm going to go in with my NARS Creamy Concealer in the colour Hazelnut, medium to dark 4. This is the best concealer I've ever had, no joke. It's just like, kind of like a mousse, but it goes on so well, so smoothly, and I'll show you now. And the brush I'm using is number 9. Watch this, guys. You see that smooth? It just goes on so smoothly. I think it's a shade lighter than my actual skin colour, but it's good because then it can brighten up my face. These brushes are amazing. They go on so smoothly, I actually can't. And the brush set was only £25 for 12 brushes. So sick. I actually got the brushes from Beauty Bay, and Beauty Bay, if you guys aren't from the UK, Beauty Bay is a place, or if you are from the UK, Beauty Bay is a place to get the brands that are not in the UK, so Anastasia, Morphe, loads of other brands like that. Okay, so I've concealed my eyebrows now, and I'm now going to conceal the rest of my face, all my problem areas. So I'm going to start off with my chin. I have some like dark marks here that I just want to cover. I really want to get the, what's it called? The cream concealer, the stick one, the liquid one, to brighten underneath my eyes. I want to get that here in California. Okay, so I wasn't going to open this yet, but I'm going to use the beauty blender that I got from Sephora here. I have a whole Sephora haul coming in one of my videos soon, but I need this beauty blender to blend out my concealer, so here we go. Oh, this blends well. This is firm and this is good. Because I had the Real Techniques one and it's absolutely rubbish. Don't even get it, it's rubbish. It's orange and it's rubbish. So I'm glad I have this one. So you guys are probably wondering, what about my eyebrows? So I'm going to use the other flat top concealer brush, number 8 from BH Cosmetics, to blend out my eyebrows. Usually after I conceal, I go back in with my eyebrows just to fill in any bits that I might have smudged, so I'm going to do that now. This flat top brush is so good. I really needed a flat top brush because some foundation brushes are pointy and they're really flimsy and rubbish basically. But I prefer using a flat top brush to do my foundation rather than a beauty blender. Okay, so now that I'm all concealed up and I've got all my blemishes covered and I've got all my spots covered, I'm now going to go in with my foundation. And this is new. I got this just before I came on holiday. It's the NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation, and it's actually fairly new. I know they have the sheer glow, but this is medium to full coverage and sheer is just medium coverage. So I'm going to go in with, I'm going to start with 2 pumps. Oh, that's quite a lot. And I'm in the shade Marquises. It was quite funny being shade matched because I don't particularly like having makeup that just looks like I'm not wearing makeup, because I'm like, if I'm going to spend £35 and that's how much the foundation is, I don't want to look like I'm not wearing makeup. I don't want to look cakey, but I also want to look like I have something on. I went to Harvey Nichols in Knightsbridge to get shade matched, and then we walked around Knightsbridge shopping and then saw how my face looks in the light, took some pictures, and then we were going to Oxford Street to shop, so we went to Selfridges, and I went there and I was like, is this the right shade, because I feel like it's my skin colour, and she's like, it's meant to be a skin colour, you can highlight and contour and, you know, bring your definition out, so I'm going to do that. I've got 2 pumps. I'm just using brush number 2 to blend it in. So if you see how it goes on. This is like a golden kind of colour that I do love. And I love this because even though I have the Tarte Clay Stick foundation, which I do love and I do swear by, for me that's more of an everyday foundation, like going to work, going up the road, whereas I wanted to have a foundation that I could have for like nice evenings out and nice dinners and parties and stuff. I wanted a foundation for that, so I really hope I don't get foundation on my white top. That wouldn't be good. 2 pumps might be enough, you know. And what I'm learning to do is blend underneath my chin. I'm not usually good at that, but I know that you're not meant to, and those beauty gurus don't like it when you don't do that, so. Okay, so now that my foundation is done, I actually don't really contour. I'm trying to look for a powder contour. I know that there's the Kevin Aucoin, but that's quite expensive. That's like £35 just for contour. So if you guys know any good contour makeup brands that I should use, please let me know. As I'm in California and Sephora is so close, please let me know of any brands, American, UK, anything. But for now, I'm just going to use some highlighter. Okay, so I have to be really careful because I'm using the MAC Gold Deposit, and this is really cracked and gonna spill if I'm not careful, and I'm on my bed. And I'm using the tapered brush number 4 from BH Cosmetics, and this is different because I usually use the fan one. I think that's what everyone used to use, but I quite like the look of this, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna be, oh, okay, that's it. I'm gonna blend it out after, don't worry. I like doing it on the tip of the nose. I just think it's nice. It brings a bit of sparkle on it. I think it's cute. I like how it's pointed because then it just gets to the bits that you want to get to. So I'm now going to do my lips, and I'm going to line with the NYX Lip Color Espresso Lip Liner. Okay, it needs sharpening, but I haven't got time for that, so I'm just going to go in. Now that my lips are lined, I'm going to go in with the NYX lip colour, like the matte one, in the shade Berlin. What's it called? Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Berlin. This colour reminds me of Patricia Bright's new MAC lipstick, which I may get. Tell me if you think the same, because I think it looks quite nice. It's like a nice dark colour. I just got my concealer brush to go and blend underneath because I think I smudged it a bit. And now I'm going to finish with my mascara. I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. This is one of the best mascaras I've ever used. I know I said in my last videos that I like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise one, and I do, but I think this is better. Look at the difference already. Okay, so this is my finished look. I'm not going to use eyeshadow today, but if you do want me to do an eyeshadow look, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try and do one for you. Actually, I will do one for you because I love my Morphe 350 palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and please comment down below what kind of contour makeup you use and what brands are the best for contour, because I really do need it. And please subscribe down below if you haven't already. It means so much to me. And also to those of you that have subscribed, and please remember to click the post notification button. It's like a bell, and it means that you will be the first to be notified about my videos. I know it's weird, it's like if you subscribe you should be told anyway, but YouTube's doing this thing where it's like the subscribers and then you have to press the notification bell. I post like maximum twice a week, so you won't get that many notifications, and it just means that you're the first one to find out, even before I post on Instagram, even before I post on Twitter. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys soon.